Now, if you've ever stripped a screw, what you thought was a Phillips head screw on an older Japanese car or motorcycle or even some Japanese electronics, chances are it was not a Phillips head screw, it was probably JIS. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got some new screwdriver sets to look at today. These are made in Japan from the company Sunflag. This is their perfect grip screwdriver set. The standard set here in red, and then the Tang-Through version in blue. Three-piece set. Here we have a number 1, number 2, and number 3, and the lengths are 75, 100, and 150 millimeters. Now, if you've ever worked on a Japanese car or motorcycle or even some older electronics made in Japan, you'll notice that sometimes those Phillips screws seem to strip really easily. Now, the reason that you're stripping those screws is they're just not the same. They're not Phillips head screws. They're JIS, or Japanese Industrial Standard. Now, a lot of vehicles that were made in Japan use JIS fasteners. And you know, even when I was younger, we just didn't know the difference. We would try to use a Phillips screwdriver and ended up stripping it out. Now, JIS is pretty much phased out and you don't really see it too much unless you're working on older stuff. JIS is indicated usually with a little dot on the fastener. Now, you see this screw right here. I'll just show you a close-up. You see that little dot right there? That is letting you know that that is a JIS screw. And you're gonna need to reach for these, a number 1, 2, or 3 JIS driver. It's just going to engage into that JIS fastener better than a Phillips driver. Phillips screwdrivers just are a different design. That's really ultimately all it is. Now there's a close-up of the tip. You can see it is just different. This is a little bracket with a purge valve or a vacuum switch valve off of an intake on an older Toyota. Now here's just a Phillips screwdriver, happens to be a Pittsburgh. Looks like it's a number 2. And I'm gonna try to loosen it and it just strips out, just cams out completely. Here's an older Craftsman Professional. Let's give that a try. This is a number 1. And that's just spinning as well. Now here's another number 2. This is a Husky screwdriver. You can see that it just wants to cam out. It is not gonna get that out. So now let's try here with the Perfect Grip number 2. It broke it loose easily. So take a look at that. It actually stays on the screw, and there's a close-up of that little dimple so you can see what that looks like. Now I'm going to pop this back in just so I don't lose it. I just like to keep a lot of older spare parts, but man, that is perfect engagement on that fastener. Just a perfect demonstration. Let's flip it over. It looks like we've got another one. All right, I'm gonna try the red one here, but first I'm gonna show you that the same 2 screwdrivers do not work. Yeah, that's just spinning. No good. We'll try this one. Oh, we kind of grabbed it a little bit. Just not a good engagement there. You can see it wobbles around quite a bit. And of course the number 1's not the right screwdriver for this. Yeah, that just rolls in there, but I just wanted to show you, you know, sometimes you grab a different size and that will work better. All right, now let's try the Perfect Grip here from Sunflag. Nice and snug in there and breaks it loose easily. I gotta tell you guys, if you don't have a set of JIS screwdrivers, you really do need them. If you work on older Japanese vehicles, motorcycles, anything like that, that is a must. That definitely would strip otherwise. Still can crank down on that and make it nice and tight. Now you might be wondering if you can use a JIS screwdriver on a Phillips screw, and you can. Take a look at that. It's actually holding the Perfect Grip Sunflag screwdriver in there. You can't do that with a regular Phillips screwdriver. Now here's just a couple more screwdrivers we can give a try here. So they fit well with the Phillips, but that's not gonna hold that at all. Let's try the Husky one here. Yeah, it fits in there, but oh, there we go. That one's kind of staying in the Phillips fastener. But very impressive that these JIS screwdrivers will stay even in a Phillips screw. Very, very nice screwdrivers and something that you need. Now, as far as the grips, they're very soft. This fits in your hand well, but it also has a really nice cushioned feel. That ball kind of style at the end is also designed so that you can kind of fit that right into your palm and give it some really good torque and push and twist as you go. But it does fit in the hand well, very comfortable to use. I really do like these. Sometimes you get some stubborn brake rotor screws, this would do the job. You could impact that even into a brake rotor screw and get some good leverage to get that out. And of course, the smaller sizes, that might be used more on some smaller electronics, or even that carburetor screw that's just stuck and stubborn and doesn't want to come out. You can even give it a little tap here on the back, and that will hopefully come out and get the job done. But that's pretty much it. The standard Sunflag Perfect Grip and then the Tang-Through version. Very, very nice tools, very nice set of JIS screwdrivers. If you don't have a set of JIS screwdrivers, I highly recommend you pick one up. This is a very inexpensive set as well, and it doesn't have the slotted. It's very rare that we're using slotted for slotted screws or anything like that. So flathead or blade or whatever you want to call it, they're usually used as mini pry bars now. So I love the fact that they recognize that and they're just selling this as the JIS kit. Now, a lot of people always ask me if it says made in Japan on the tool itself, and you can see right there on the handle that it does. On all of these, it says made in Japan, and they do definitely feel like they're good quality, and these should last a long time. Now, the tips of these screwdrivers are magnetic. That's why you have the black color there. They are magnetic. They will pick up a screw, even in a parts catch, just like that. So that's a really nice feature to have as well. You're less likely to drop a screw as you're putting it in. Very happy that I found these. I was just searching around on Amazon and I saw this set first, and then noticed shortly after that they came in blue as well, but I didn't realize that they were different with that striking cap on the back and the Tang-Through design. So glad that I realized that and picked these up as well. Definitely gonna get a lot of use around here. I actually had already opened this one and used it on a few vehicles that I was working on before I ended up picking up this set with the Tang-Through as well. And then I thought I'd make a quick little video unboxing and review of these screwdrivers, so I had to put them back in the package and pretend that I hadn't used them yet. But well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Now, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I found these and bought these tools myself, but of course I'll get links in the description where you can pick these up as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.